called as alias name. Not mentioned over here. Namespace. Name. Okay. There can be two parts for this one. Okay. Let's remove this previous ones. Name space very long name. Okay. And inside this very long name we have int x, which is 50, and we have print out side very long name space, and then okay, so this long space, there is a longer name space, something like this, if it is there. So we need to write this long name every time whenever we are using the variable. Instead of that, what we can do is we can have name space, we have a declaration, we can have very long name space, very long namespace, and we can equate it to this one. Okay. So with the help of this one, see out, okay, for this one we can have x, so you can see we can get 50, or we can try to print as also lns, then we will have print. Okay, so it will print this, you get, hello, this is one version, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna try with this using name space VLNS. Okay, see how I need this directory can call. This is clear. We can use like this also. Okay, this is completed. This is completed. Anything else left from the namespace? Okay, we need to go with the class also. So I will explain you one class method also. Okay, I will give you these notes also. Okay. Control C, just copy paste somewhere. These are the name notes. Let's go through little theory also. We have seen, okay, namespace is a mechanism for logically grouping the declaration and definition into a common declarative reason. Means we have uh, this block. Okay, so this block is a common declarative reason. Okay, next point. Let's see. The content of the namespaces can be used, can be accessed by the code inside and outside of the namespace. Okay, so we can use the content inside and outside of the namespace. Suppose we have this X, so we can use it inside the namespace as well, or outside the namespace as well. Let's see.
So we'll be continuing with the next topic today itself
We'll see. Next topic.
because at 1 o'clock I'm having office call
Okay, okay. So I
as
think I will end it up here itself only. So namespace is already over. So we'll see the
yeah.
next batch next time. Okay. Let's see this last thing, and we can drop.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
See, from the inside we are able to see it. I'm wrapping up first. Okay, so we have seen that it can be split up into units. Sorry, with the scope resolution operator, you can access them using declaration around the namespace used in the directory. Okay, so declaration we have already explained in one of the program. I think this is over. Thank you guys. We will meet next week.